Wait. Do we have the ability to beep later? Like, can we bleep? Okay. You can have some fun with that. This is cracking me up. We're going to talk about one thing this morning. Poop. In fact, some speculate that this may be the only place in Scripture where Paul actually uses a cuss word. You all know which one I'm talking about. The stuff that comes... No, we don't. Stuff that comes from bowls. Paul calls it nothing but a stinky mess of manure. It's just a big pile of poop.
Poop.
Okay, you can have some fun with that.
And now, our feature presentation.
Good morning. Welcome to Renew Community. If your guests are joining us for the first time or first few times in person or online, we're glad you're here. Whenever you make it to a seat, have a stand, and we'll start worshiping.
Standing here in your presence, in a great, so relentless
On the internet. And where do we go to find research on the internet? Google, boomer. No, TikTok. We go to TikTok.
That first kid was like, what?
Check.
Did you say? No, we go to TikTok. I would have accepted ChatGPT, right? Google, that's so yesterday. So I went to TikTok.
Song is rangy.
Do you want to? Yeah. Do you want to? Not. Yes. So what is? Yeah. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. What? Yeah.
Good morning.
It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out praise.
Skabala or Skybala. I didn't look up how to pronounce it because I don't care.
Ask your question. So I hit a button and everything went back to factory reset.
Good.
and lower.
Save big money.
That's better. Thank you.
Spicy. A spicy meatball. What's that from?
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Probably.
The Mask.
Yeah.
Peter, the piper, picked a peck of piano. That doesn't make sense. Heckin' over there.
And all the earth
I dare you.
you give life. I can't. Darkness. All the earth will shout your praise.
Justine's a little hot.
Great are you, Lord.
And nervous.
All the
Did we get her voice figured out?
Got scared.